Can Papl recover all the way upwards of the $10 levels once again, or is this a ticker which you should be cutting your losses from and walking away from? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to the no BS non-biased price prediction video. Today, we're discussing Papl under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a catalyst breakdown. The what, we're going to be doing a stock analysis. The where, I'm going to be telling you guys where to get in, where to get out. So, without further ado, hit the thumbs up button. Listen, 60% of you guys are not subscribed. 60% of you guys watch these videos on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, whatever basis, annual basis, are not subscribed. Please hit the subscribe button. Help me out. We only have one goal to be at 200, not 200. Well, that'd be crazy. To be at 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I know it's a bold one, but I think we can achieve it. So do so. Now let's get into breaking down the why. Now, why do we talk about the why first? Because when it comes to penny stock trading, guys, the why holds the most weight, right? Because if the stock sucks and the chart sucks, but the company just came out with some massive catalyst about them curing cancer, well then guess what? It doesn't matter that the stock sucks and the chart looks bearish, because the stock's gonna go up. Okay, and I think this is something that a lot of traders forget about, and they forget that, listen, if you're trading penny stocks, if you're planning on consistently trading penny stocks, you need a penny stock mentor, okay? You need someone who's teaching you penny stock trading, not just trading, right? And so many of you guys, right? So many of you guys indulge in watching trading videos, right? Whether it's TJR's fucking weird ass, or this dude, or fuck with TJR, but this guy's, videos, or that guy's videos, right? And all these people are showing you this pattern, and that pattern, and that pattern, and this pattern, and that pattern. Well, you're not understanding, hey, listen, that guy's trading Forex. I'm trading penny stocks. It's kind of like comparing a bike to a car. Yes, they're both vehicles, but they're completely different. They're completely different. How you go about them are completely different. What you look for are completely different. You can't come into the penny stock world just looking at the charts. You can't. Because there's so many more moving pieces than just the chart, which does make, penny stock trading a little bit more complicated. But if you ask me, it also makes it a lot easier, because if you know what to look for, then you have a lot easier easier time of anticipating what's going to happen. Okay, if you know what to look for, right? While in other sectors, everyone's just looking at the chart. In the penny stock sector, if you know what characteristics of the stock to actually pay attention to, what catalysts actually matter, then you're going to have the easier upper hand over other traders. And what you need to understand is that trading is player versus player. When you make money, someone else loses money. When you lose money, someone else took your money. So having the upper hand over other traders, it's the best thing you could possibly have. Okay? So let's get breaking on the why. Now, when it comes to Papl, it's a ticker which is up freaking, over 100%. And anytime a stock's up, we need to analyze why it's up, right? To understand whether or not there's going to be longevity to the move, and whether or not this green is going to be sustainable, or it's just going to fade away freaking midday, or even, before then, right? When it comes to Papl, the reason why the stock is up 100% is because they actually use their pineapple energy, right? And they have actually gone ahead and they've cured cancer with using pineapples. That's right. That's what the news says. Don't ask me. They've cured cancer using pineapples. No, they have not used fucking pineapples to cure cancer. No, they have not. No, there's no news. There's no news. The news is there's no news. There's no news. Okay, so the stock is up over 100% for no news. And you bought it. And guess what? You went ahead and you bought it. Congratulations. There's no news and you went ahead and you bought it. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. All right? Now, volatility. The next thing which we want to look for, now that we've done the catalyst analysis, we want to go ahead and do the stock analysis. When it comes to the stock analysis, this is where things get also a little bit tricky, right, for traders, is that they confuse stock analysis with company analysis. Stock analysis and company analysis are three different things, okay? Not two different things, three different things. I'm joking, two different things, okay? So when it comes to doing stock analysis, the first thing you want to measure is volatility, right? How volatile is this ticker, right? How much buying power does it take to actually move this stock on a given day? How much volume does it require? When it comes to Papl, this is a company that has a $50 million market cap. That makes it extremely volatile, okay? Anything sub 100 mil, very volatile. Volatility is amazing, okay? Remember that. Now, the next thing which we want to look at is going to be institutional ownerships. What's the big money doing, right? Big money. Everyone talks about big money, right? Well, this company has 18% institutional ownership. That's very good. We're going to go over here and put that as okay as well, okay? Now, anything above 20% for me is good, and anything above 50% is amazing, right? So 18% will just say it's okay. All right. Now, the next thing which we want to look at is going to be short interest. Now, for some ungodly reason, I couldn't find their short interest. I don't know why it's not loading for me. I don't know what's going on here. I think maybe because they recently just had a reverse split or something like that, right? And look, what we're getting right now, right, this move over here is because they recently had a reverse split, right? That's really what's going on, right? They had a reverse split a couple of days ago, right? A 1-4-20 reverse split. Now, what a 1-4-20 reverse split does is that it shrinks the float. So it makes the stock a lot more volatile. However, this is not a real catalyst. So again, the catalyst is bad. This is not a real catalyst, okay? Bang. Now, the next thing which we want to look for is going to be dilution. Is this a company that's going to dilute? Well, there's a bunch of things which we look for when it comes to anticipate dilution. Number one is going to be their financial motivations. Right now, the company doesn't have the financial motivations, or so we think, right? They have 47 months of cash left on hand. The numbers you're seeing over here are based off of their most recent SEC filing. So their total cash remaining is 2.4 million, and their operating expenses every quarter is 150K, leaving them with 47 months of cash. So their money is actually pretty good, okay? They have almost 4 years of cash, right, to cover their expenses. That's a good look. All right, very good. I like that. Now, the next thing which we want to look for is going to be historically. Well, historically, they've diluted a lot, and right now their overhead supply is massive. So then guess what? This goes over here, and it becomes still bad, right? Because they can still go out and dilute, right? Historically, they've been very dilutive. Now their stock is up for no reason. They're probably going to dilute. And I'm here to tell you, right, allegedly, okay, this is what I think, all right? I think that the red that we saw over here, this over here, this was none other than them going ahead and adding shares. And we will find out sooner or later. An 8K will come out and it'll say from this date to this date, we converted this many warrants, blah, blah, blah. But that's what I think. I think they had a dilution over here, okay? So PAPL, you know, this morning I literally told the chat, so guys, stay away from PAPL. This is a great short, but it's not a good long at all, right? It's not a good long at all. Especially, you know, when I woke up, it was like already at like freaking $10. Okay, it was like at these levels, right? So that's my take when it comes to PAPL, guys, right? That's my take when it comes to PAPL. Do I see it recovering? Now, where do I see it recovering to? I could see it going over here and testing the $7 levels. I don't see it getting above $7.35. I honestly, guys, don't ever see it getting above, you know, $10 again. I don't see that. Now, mind you, this is based off of what I'm saying right now. If tomorrow they come out with some massive news and the stock runs, well, then guess what? There's a new catalyst. There's the whole hypothesis changes, right? So, but for now, as of right now, I do think that it's good for you guys to wake up tomorrow at 4 a.m. and literally cut your losses closer to $7. That's what I would do. I'll wake up in the morning and I'll cut my losses and I'll walk away, than just hold this stock and hope and pray that it recovers. And remember, losing is part of trading, guys, right? Losing is part of trading. I think so many people forget that losing is part of trading. Myself, right? We did take a pretty big L this week on VLCN, right? Which really hurt, but it is what it is, right? Look, guys, I have an 82% win rate, right? Let me refresh this. Right, 82% win rate. That means 20% of the time I'm wrong. 20% of the time I'm wrong. That means 1 out of 5 trades I'm wrong. 250 trading days. That means 50 trading days I'm losing money. 50 trading days. And this is from someone with an 82% win rate. So remember that, right? Losing is part of trading. And remember what I always tell you guys. Don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. And listen, if you guys want to tap in with me and come trade with me every single morning, right? Receive day trade alerts, swing alerts, everything like that. We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts even, right? Check out our community. This is what it looks like. We give you a ticker, we give you an entry, we give you an exit. We tell you when to buy, when to sell. Every single thing is given to you guys. We have over 400 members coming back month after month, guys. There's a reason why people are coming back. The reason is because they're making money, right? Literally today, right, we made a killing on the options section, guys. And yeah, check it out, okay? Check it out. I'm an idiot and a genius same time. We've been killing it, man. We've been absolutely killing it. Killed it today with options with Sean. Let me show you guys some stuff, right? Look at this. 8 for us, enjoying the streak, won't last forever, but it's been great. We've been killing it, guys. We've been honestly killing it, and I'm so proud of everyone in the community, man. I really am, right? And yeah, that's it, okay? Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section in the description. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And right now, we do also have an ongoing sale where the next 10 members that join, they get access for a 50% discount. You heard that right. Ongoing sale, next 10 members that join, 50% discount. Right now, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. I would never suggest you guys try something that I wouldn't try myself. But I would try this. I would try at least a 7-day free trial. Okay? That's it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.